Howdy, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to another great episode, tutorial that is, where I'll be showing you how you can compress your PDF sizes and reduce it in case you want to be able to drop it on WhatsApp, send it on email, um, whatever the case may be. I'm going to be showing you how you can get that done today. So, get your PDFs ready and let's get ready to compress. All right? So we're gonna just jump into Google here. I'm presuming you've got your PDF already, right? The idea is that you've got a large PDF and you'd like to reduce the size so you can be able to share it. Easy peasy. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go to a website, but what you can do is go to Google and search compress PDF. As you can see here, it's highlighted, so I usually do that because I send PDFs a lot of the time. The name of the website is called ilovepdf.com. Keep that in mind. Keep it handy for you because it'll be very, very useful in the future. You're going to select the PDF file that we're going to want to compress. I have mine handy, ready, and we're going to click on it and upload that PDF. I'm going to move this to the side here so you can be able to see the options we have on the right panel of this website. So I've uploaded my PDF, and as you can see, with the compression levels, we've got extreme compression, we've got the recommended compression, and the less compression. And I would like to go for recommended because I think it's a bit of a balance between good quality and great sizing. And right at the bottom right, we're going to just click on compress PDF and let that do its thing. And now my PDF size is 27 megabytes and it's not that large, but for the sake of this tutorial, I just want to be able to show you the functionality of the website. So even if your PDF could be 200 megabytes, 300 megabytes, I do think that this website is limited to about a storage of 1 gig, if I'm not mistaken. So do check that out, but they have a whole lot of other tools. And just like that, my PDF has been compressed successfully and added to my downloads folder, and I can just check that out. Oh, that's it right there. And my PDF is now 200 kilobytes, from 27 megabytes to 200 kilobytes. It's 100% smaller. It's not even a fragment of what the initial storage size of this PDF was. So if this tool can be a handy utility in your day-to-day life, then I highly recommend you definitely check it out. But that concludes the tutorial for today. I hope you enjoyed. If there are any other tutorials you'd like to see, then please just drop a comment. Otherwise, I would urge you to just hit that subscribe button. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll definitely be catching you on the next tutorial. Cheerio.